Hello, my name is Colin B873, and today I'll be unboxing the complete wireless combo keyboard and mouse. Okay, here we go. Go there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. Might have to turn it over. I don't know. I mean, it's not gonna come out right, but hey. Here's the keyboard. Yeah, I'm gonna take the wrapper off it. And that's not a light keyboard, but not also not overly heavy either, so. Look the box around. Let's take the stuff out. Here is the mouse. That's heavier than what I'm used to. Several buttons there. And I say we're good to go. See what else is in the box. We get a USB receiver. I say we're good to go here now. There's some instructions inside the box with some pretty things I knows what to do there anyways. Everybody have a good day. I'll see y'all in the next one.